Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you guys are here. Today we're going to have yet another unboxing. Since the roads have cleared and the mail is running, this particular unboxing comes to us from White Mountain Knives. It's something I ordered 2 weeks ago. Don't even really remember exactly what it is. But first off, what I want to do is I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. Your support means everything to me. I do appreciate you. I do thank you. Whoops, here comes Tippy. And then I also want to thank any of you guys who take any time to come in and check out the EDC and knife content that I try to record and share with you guys. If you're so inclined and you have the time, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It would really help me out. But let's get into this now and see what we've got. This is just an unboxing, and we're going to try our funky, see if I remember which way won't cut my hand off. Yep, our butterfly razor knife. To get into it, that we picked up at Amazon. Two knives. I do remember what this is now. It's something old that's different and something new and weird. So, what should we do first? Let's do new but a little different. This is the G5 Metamorph from Real Steel in G10 in black, and this is their button lock. This is a knife, I've given a couple of these away. I really like the knife. It's a great gentleman's folder. Little disassembly. It's kind of cool. But anyway, there's paperwork here. Little specs deal. And then we've got this little cleaning cloth. And the knife. Black blade with a natural green G10. So my bad, I read that wrong. This I think was the only one left in stock because this just kind of came out. I've had a Metamorph, like I said, I had the full-size Metamorph that was the Knife Center exclusive. That was just a top flipper liner lock. And this one is a thumb flicker. It does not have, let's see if that can be reversed. It looks like I can reverse that thumb stud. Real simple little knife, black blade, 14C 28N, O-tap, hell design. Super pokey, super slicey. Let's see if it's sharp. It's got a great point, full size knife, kind of nice and long or longer. I've never been this is actually probably the first. No, I had a, I take that back. I have a Crevist. My first Crevist variant PE was gifted to me by Brother Sobek Scooter, and it was in this same natural G10. I've never been a huge fan, but it doesn't bother me. You've got kind of this nice back spacer here that I don't remember from the original. This little lanyard loop, deep carry clip, pivot, some body screws, and that thumb stud will not be reversible. So right off the beaten path, I don't know why. I guess since it's, I don't know why they didn't do it on both sides, maybe because it's not an ambidextrous knife at all. But it's a thumb flicker. It's a first button lock I've ever tried from Real Steel. I think it's got a very thin steel skeleton in there. And then the plunge lock. I promised I wasn't going to do that anymore. But it's locked up fine. I'm not feeling any button stick. Really good action. I mean, it actually takes a little bit of thumb pressure to get that detent to kick out. But yeah, guys, the Real Steel Metamorph. I guess with the dagger, what they call that point? I don't remember my other ones having that kind of point. Natural G10 in black, stock number 7832N. Let's look at something real quick. Because I really don't remember. That looks almost like a reverse Tonto. I don't remember my other Metamorphs looking like that. I guess they did? No? See, these are all drop points in the pictures. Look, there's the button lock. You don't tell me that doesn't look like a drop point, and that doesn't look like a reverse Tanto or something. But anyway, neither here nor there, just a conscious observation. Let's see if it says anything on here. Nope. Shows the same point though. So whatever kind of point it is sharp and pointy. You get a little cleaning cloth in there, the NAF. And now let's take this guy and look at this. This is the TS422 in blue. And it's going to be a funky looking weird ass knife. But I like funky looking weird ass knives. And this one had just come in. I thought it was just funky and weird enough to look, bring into the channel, show it, and then share it with one of you guys as a giveaway down the road. Unless I fall in love with it and decide I just have to have it. So what we have here, now that I've de-oiled it, is a weird looking, chunky little, kind of like a mini tank type knife. It is titanium frame, D2 blade with G10 inserts. Instead of carbon fiber or micarta, this has got blue. I could have gotten red. See how the front flipper works? It doesn't. Let's see. Oh yeah, it does. All right, hold on. Where's it? And you guys know I fucking hate front flippers, so no big surprise that I'm not having much luck with that. See how it reverses. Okay, I can reverse finger flick it. What I liked about this knife was the way it looked, right? D2 blade. Let's see if it's sharp. It feels very sharp. This is a long design. Super slicey. Wow. Guys, I like this more than I thought. Let's see how it needs to break in. Thumb flick's fine. Reverse flick takes a little pressure. Top flipper, I've got to figure out where to get it to make it lock in. But when I looked at the knife, I like the Bowie blade, right? It's not something I see on Tucson a lot. I don't like the holes, but they don't bother me because all Tucsons are funky. Let's see if the clip works. Clip works fine. Pretty deep. You have absolutely no texturing on the studs. And I don't find that a problem as I fail it. I don't find that a problem with necessarily gripping them. They could probably benefit from a little bit, but it's the first time I think I've seen just a truly smooth thumb stud. And then you've got where this jimping in the top of the blade goes. It gives you this really great finger hold. I mean, this knife is small, as you guys saw, but it is very comfortable. Very comfortable in a lot of different grips. Don't like the front flipper right off the bat, I can tell you. I might get used to it, but like I've shown you on the front flippers, the last few I've unboxed or reviewed, they kind of had that angle right there, and they took very little pressure. This, looking where the blade bends, it seems like I should put my finger right there, which I guess maybe that's where it goes. So it front flips. It's just, you've got to aim for that point right there. And so you're kind of pushing right against the pivot. If it was a little higher, I think it'd be easier. But I'm a thumb stud reverse flicker guy. And it'll break in. I'll be able to reverse flick it like nobody's business. But yeah, guys, that's just kind of a random unboxing that I had ordered long before the snow came, and had probably been sitting at the post office for a week. A couple of knives I got to try out and share with you guys once I carry them, use them, give you all a review. These are coming back out, these Real Steel Metamorph button locks, and like I said, it was such a good regular lock, liner lock for me. I had the mini and I had the full size. I gave them both away, and now we've got the Long Designs TS422 Real Steel OTEP Hell designed Metamorph. And guys, we've come to the end of an unboxing. I appreciate y'all hanging out. I appreciate y'all stopping by. I am thankful and humbled by the support you guys show the channel. I love each and every one of you. If you would please, just look out for that guy or gal to your left. Look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, when possible, over hate. And guys, I love you all. Peace.